Enjoy.
We're back in the kitchen at the end of the stove. Looks like we at the end of the O. Drop a 4 in a 20 ounce and call it 24s. You sit on 24s and we sip on 24s. Got the caddies sitting on a pair of Gucci penny lows. Yeah, I get money, fuck with bitches, they give me more. Man, you know the game, same shit, different hoes. Yeah, we cut the ears and the tail off Mickey Mouse. Never been a rat, never had him in the house. Call me Captain Kangaroo, but I got money in my pouch. And I don't mean loose change when I say money in the couch. Yeah, I'm getting paid at what I already said. Can't see these niggas like the brick on these niggas. Had a bitch named Nina, and Nina's so slutty, cause she'll do him and every one of his.
Fucking with me. I put that knife in you, take a little bit of life from you. Am I frightening you? Shall I continue? I put the gun to you, I let it sing you a song, I let it hum to you. The other one sing along, now it's a duet, and you wet when you check out the technique from the two texts. And I don't need two lips to blow this like a trumpet, you dumb shit. This is an unusual musical I conducted. You looking at the black Warren Buffett, so all critics conduct sick. I don't care if you see Dolores Tuckett or you Bill O'Reilly, you only rally me up. For 3 years, they had me peeing out of a cup. Now they bout to free me up. What you think I'm gon' be? What? Rehabilitated, man, I still feel hatred. I'm young, black, and rich, so they wanna strip me naked. But you never had me like Christina Aguilera. But catch me down the west side driving like Halle Berry or the FDR in the seat of my car, screaming out the sunroof, death to y'all. You can't kill me, I live forever through these bars. I put them wolves on you, I put a price on your head. The whole hood will want you, you're starting to look like bread. I send them boys at you, I ain't talking about fast, nigga, them body snatchers. Nigga, you heard what I said.